Hello friend, once again this is Sani Ali Khan and now I am with Team 07. The guys I would like to just introduce Sonu Kumar, Mayank Kumar, Ishan Priyadarshi. And now here we are discussing on 10th October and now we have observed right now it's the World Mental Health Day, right?
Yes,
So we are discussing through this topic, and first of all, what are the circumstances come under the World Mental Health Day? So as I observed, it's really discussing about suicide, right?
Yes.
So why the guys are suiciding nowadays? Some cases recently we have observed of Sushant Singh Rajput. It's a hype cases, right?
Yes.
But apart from him, his sister-in-law also got suicide. Apart from him, many other many other industries person also, Bollywood industries person, politicians also, IAS also, IPS also, the guys who are preparing for the IAS, these type of things, but they are now getting suicide. So what are the reason behind it? Do you want to comment on this?
Yes, sir, I would definitely like to comment. And the reason why the people are suiciding nowadays is they are having the pressure on their mind and they are having various of the problems which they are not able to tackle, and due to which they are thinking more about it, and and there is no one, and also they don't want to share their problems with others. That's why they are not getting the proper solution, and due to which they think that now there is no way by which we can have the solution.
One thing I will try, one thing I'll try to add on your points, man. That people are just trying to search everything and relate everything with the scientific reason. Most of the people are just not connected with the culture. They are living their culture, and due to it, the suicide, number of suicide cases increasing day by day.
I think one thing missing here in education basically, and what the thing is that one is moral, right? Value
Yes.
education. So do you like to just say about value educations? Actually, they are not getting value education in proper way nowadays. The students. That's why these type of things happening in our society. So do you want to say about value educations?
Yes, sir, I would be appreciated to speak about that. Sir, nowadays it is 21st century, we all know that, and the education system has also been changed in the past few months. So, from the starting only from the first class, second class, or from the pre classes, nowadays students are given value education or moral education or life skills. So, I think it is very important, but in some schools, such as in government schools, and there are some private school also which doesn't give this type of education, and their parents also doesn't give care about this type of education. So for
In
that people I would like to tell that it is very important to know about how to live the life, or otherwise if you can be a IAS or actor or any big personality, but if you don't know how to live the life, then it is of no
Yeah, the
meaning.
same thing. Everything Sushant has, but he's getting suicide. I would like to just ask you from all. Do you want to say something to the government, because today is the World Mental Health Day? So, do you want to say to the government something regarding that? How the government will help the people in our society?
First thing
uh,
that Ishan told, that we should provoke, and there should be some moral studies should be added in the syllabus, and there should be special class of the students in which the teacher should teach them regarding how they can live the life
Yeah,
in
man.
proper
As you
way.
were telling about the condition of teachers, so we all know that the teacher condition of the government school is not better in the most of the state of India. So first of all, government need to improve their teachers skills. What the children need to be taught.
Not only teacher skill, the government should also make campaigns. Like we have seen in the recent months that many people have started campaigns on this, that not do suicide and many different things, but are organizing campaigns, but it should be the government that should organize campaigns. We have all seen that many people do yogas and different types of activities which help the people to make their mind free. But then also the government, if is not there, nothing can be happened at a higher level.
And also I want to tell something to them, those who are under pressure. So first thing is that the suicide is not the solution of your problem, and if you need solution of your problem, then don't suicide. Just share the problem with your families and your friends, so that you can get a proper direction, and if you can
And
also share
also,
with your teachers also.
government are also providing some numbers like suicide facility, and if there are some problems, they can talk to that
yeah.
number.
Yeah, now we have to just conclude this session, and do you want to just tell some slogans regarding suicide? Don't do suicides. Have you any solutions in your mind right now? No issues. Okay, so be happy with your family, share your feelings, and nowadays we are in COVID-19, so be with your family and talk to your family, and just make a relationship with your family better. And we will meet in next video for the new with new topics. So till then, take care. Bye bye.
See you soon, guys.